His natural hair growth on his left eyebrow kind of swoops down, so we're going to brush upward and trim up his eyebrows before we start waxing. Kevin here requests that I keep his brows natural, but at the same time, shaping them up a little bit and keeping them neat. After trimming his brows, I'm going to go ahead and prep his skin for waxing. First, I will use a no-rinse cleanser. Then I will apply an ingrown hair concentrate. It's also an oil. And then I will add arrowroot powder. Unfortunately, I have to do a little bit more tweezing today for Mr. Kevin because he did shave in between his waxing treatments in the center of his brow there, and you can see the really short hairs in the inner corner of his left brow. Luckily, I use Wax Press, Mr. Waxxie for my hard wax. Very, very helpful. Really great at getting short, stubborn hairs. If you are a licensed professional and you would like to learn more about this hard wax that I'm using, go ahead and visit the link in my description. A lot of tweezing on him this time, but usually it only takes like 1 or 2 passes of wax to get every single hair up. And if I have to tweeze, it's like tweezing 1 or 2 hairs. As you can see, it spreads like butter. So at Down South Waxing Co., we do cater to sensitive skin. So this wax included, along with all of our products that we use on you, will never have artificial fragrance, no beeswax, no corn, talc, coconut oil, all of these ingredients that can typically cause allergic reactions. If there is ever a time that I'm using a demo or a tutorial or review that has ingredients that I had mentioned, the guest will always be notified and see if they agree with it, prior. This is why it's very, very important for me to get those consent forms from you guys, just to make sure there's no troubles with your skin and mixing in with any of the products or the wax that I'm using. Safety is the priority. Alright, so that under the brow wax, that looks beautiful. Now, licensed professionals, keep in mind, anytime you're doing an underbrow wax, underbrow wax, that sounds funny, but you always want to make sure you're staying along that brow bone line per se, because the lower you get towards that eyelid area, it's very, very thin skin and it's very sensitive. You wouldn't want to tear or severely lift in that area. Alright, after tweezing a little bit, avoiding that inner left side of his brow since he decided to shave, we're going to let that grow. Applying some oil and, of course, very important SPF. Going to brush him out for the finishing touches and send this beautiful brow boy on his way. Alright. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Down South Waxing Co. Taylor Spade.